So the first thing I recommend doing right when you create a new YouTube channel, I recommend clicking Customize Channel, this blue button right here at the top. And then once you click that, it'll bring up a whole bunch of options that allow you to further customize and optimize your YouTube channel, as you can see right here. So now we can actually add channel art, we can edit our profile picture, and we can add sections to our YouTube channel. As you can see, the upload section is added by default, and you can also add sections like let's say you make a popular upload section, and you can have it as a vertical list or a horizontal row, and then you can just click done. I recommend putting a popular upload section because your most popular uploads will be your most popular for a reason. Because they're either getting a lot of watch time, they have a really good click-through rate, so having your popular uploads displayed near the top of your channel will make people want to click those videos when they come to your channel. And you already know those videos are performing good, so they will perform good with future viewers. So I recommend putting your popular uploads near the top of your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to add channel art here real quick. We can just upload it from my computer. There we go, it's uploading, and now it is uploaded. Then we can just click select, and there we go, our channel art is up. And you can just make this anything, guys. You don't need to make this super fancy or anything, especially for the types of channels that we're going to be creating to make money. All this stuff on the channel doesn't really matter that much. What does matter though is optimizing your channel. I'll get to that in just a second. Let me just add a profile picture here real quick. So there we go, got the profile picture and the channel art. I recommend having something there at least, but most of your views will come from YouTube suggested videos and browse features, and then thirdly, probably YouTube search. So a very small percentage of your viewers will be viewers who go on your channel and watch your videos.